Looking for the best laptop for graphic design in 2025? Whether you're into photo editing, animation, or 3D rendering, we've ranked the ultimate machines for creative professionals. These picks balance speed, color accuracy, and power for serious design work. You don't want to miss this. Number 5. Lenovo Yoga Slim 7X. At number 5, we have the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7X. This sleek machine is powered by Qualcomm's new Snapdragon X Elite chip, making it one of the first ARM-based laptops truly capable of professional-level creative work. With a 14.5-inch 3K PureSight OLED display, visuals are rich and color-accurate, ideal for artists using tools like Adobe Illustrator or Lightroom. The screen supports Dolby Vision and a 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, ensuring color fidelity is spot on. The design is ultra-slim and lightweight, crafted from magnesium alloy that looks stylish and feels premium. What's impressive is the battery life, up to 20 hours of usage, which is great for designers who need to work away from a power source. Performance-wise, the Yoga Slim 7X supports up to 32GB LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB SSD, giving it both speed and storage for heavy files. Lenovo's AI-tuned performance features help keep the system cool while optimizing power, making it a smart and energy-efficient option. Plus, Wi-Fi 7 support ensures super-fast internet for cloud syncing and online collaboration. Priced around $1,199, it's an excellent value for professionals who want great visuals and endurance in a portable form. Whether you're sketching digitally or working on layouts, the Yoga Slim 7X is a future-ready creative tool that combines convenience with capability, ideal for freelancers or students in the graphic design world. Number 4. MSI Thin 15. Coming in at number 4, the MSI Thin 15 is a great option for graphic designers who want solid performance without spending a fortune. This laptop is technically made for gamers, but its specs make it a powerhouse for creatives too. Inside, it's running on Intel's 13th Gen Core i7 processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU, both of which handle demanding software like After Effects and Blender with ease. Its 15.6-inch Full HD IPS screen has a 144 Hz refresh rate, which means fluid visuals even during intense editing or animation sessions. Though the display is an OLED, it still performs well for motion graphics and 3D design projects. The build is surprisingly light for a gaming laptop, coming in under 2 kilograms, which makes it portable for students or remote designers. You'll get 16GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1TB SSD, which is great for handling multiple large design files. The Cooler Boost 5 system keeps the device from overheating, which is helpful during long work hours. A sleek blue backlit keyboard adds a bit of flair, and the chassis looks professional enough for client meetings. For about $999.00, it offers top-tier specs for a mid-range price. If you're a freelance designer or new professional looking for strong specs and future-ready performance without the hefty price tag, the MSI Thin 15 is a top contender that checks all the right boxes. Number 3. Microsoft Surface Pro 9. At number 3, the Microsoft Surface Pro 9 is a top pick for artists and designers who want the flexibility of a tablet and the power of a laptop. This 2-in-1 device runs on the 12th Gen Intel Core i7 processor and Intel Iris Xe graphics, offering fast and responsive performance in programs like Photoshop, Adobe Fresco. Its real gem is the 13-inch PixelSense Flow display, which features a 2880x 1920 resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. The screen supports pen input with the Surface Slim Pen 2, which offers realistic haptic feedback, making it feel like you're drawing on paper. The device is incredibly portable, weighing under 2 pounds, and it offers all-day battery life, making it ideal for creatives who work on the go. You can configure it with up to 32GB of RAM and 1TB SSD, ensuring smooth performance even with large files. While it doesn't have a dedicated GPU, it's still more than capable for most 2D design tasks. Another bonus, its modular design allows for SSD upgrades. Starting at $1,099.00, the Surface Pro 9 offers flexibility and professional performance in one stylish, compact package. If you're a digital artist or someone who needs portabilities, sketching capabilities, and high-end specs in one device, the Surface Pro 9 is hard to beat. It's not just a tablet, it's a portable design studio that adapts to your creative needs. Number 2. ASUS ProArt P16. Number 2 is the ASUS ProArt StudioBook Pro 16 OLED, a professional-grade machine made for designers who demand nothing but the best. Powered by AMD's Ryzen 9 7945HX processor and NVIDIA RTX 3000 Ada generation GPU, this laptop can tackle any creative challenge. From real-time 3D modeling to full-scale video editing, the 16-inch 4K OLED HDR touchscreen display is jaw-dropping. With 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, Pantone validation, and HDR certification. It's perfect for designers who need pinpoint color accuracy, but what really sets the P16 apart is the ASUS dial, a unique physical controller that gives you precise command over software like Photoshop and Premiere Pro. It's a productivity booster that feels natural and intuitive. The laptop also offers up to 64 GB of DDR5 RAM and a huge 4 TB SSD, giving you all the space and speed you need. It's ISV certified, meaning it's optimized to work seamlessly with creative software like AutoCAD, Blender, and Adobe tools. Despite all this power, it stays cool and quiet thanks to its advanced cooling system. With a starting price around $2,499.00, it's a serious investment, but one that pays off for professionals who need workstation-level power in a portable form. If your design work involves huge files, complex rendering, and ultra-accurate visuals, the ASUS ProArt P16 is tailor-made for you. It's a full creative studio packed into a high-performance laptop. Number 1. Apple M4 MacBook Pro. And finally at number 1, we have the new Apple MacBook Pro with the M4 chip. Apple's most advanced laptop yet and a dream for professional graphic designers. With options for the M4 Pro and M4 Max chips, you can get up to a 38-core GPU and as much as 128 GB of unified memory, offering unbeatable performance for intensive creative tasks. Whether you're editing layered 8K video in Final Cut Pro or creating complex 3D scenes in Cinema 4D, this machine delivers. The 16.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display remains the gold standard in color accuracy and brightness, boasting up to 1,600 nits peak brightness and true 10-bit color for perfect detail. Battery life is phenomenal, up to 22 hours, while the improved thermal architecture allows for sustained performance without throttling. macOS combined with native Apple Silicon optimizations and AI-enhanced creative tools makes working in Photoshop, Illustrator, or Premiere Pro smoother than ever. It also features 6 high-fidelity speakers, a refined Magic Keyboard, and Thunderbolt 4 ports for fast connectivity. Priced starting at $2,699.00, it's clearly for professionals who want the best, and it absolutely delivers. Whether you're into motion design, digital illustration, or high-resolution photo editing, the M4 MacBook Pro is the ultimate tool for creative excellence in 2025. It's powerful, portable, and practically future-proof, a top-tier investment for those who demand nothing but the best. And that wraps up our countdown of the top 5 laptops for graphic design in 2025. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or a seasoned professional, one of these machines is sure to elevate your creative workflow. If you found this video helpful and informative, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you.